In this video, I'll show you how to dance in League of Legends. Alright, just go ahead and hold Control key on your keyboard. Alright, hold it. Now press number 3 on your keyboard as well. Simultaneously hold Control plus 3. Right here, as you can see, this character is now dancing. Alright, you can also press Control and 1, as you can see here. Number 2. Number 3 right here, which is a dance. Number 4. If you want to change your hotkeys, just go ahead and press on escape. Now in here, go ahead over to hotkeys. Now scroll down a bit. Now go to communications right here. Click on it. Just go ahead and scroll down a bit once more. And in here, under expressions, as you can see, Control plus 1 is joke. Control plus 2 is taunt. Control plus 3 is dance. 4 is laugh, and a bunch of other stuffs. Alright? And if you want to change the hotkey entirely, just click on one. For example, dance. I'm going to click on it and replace it with the plus or equal key on my keyboard. I'm just going to hit on OK. Now when we tap on that new key, as you can see here, it will just start to dance. That's basically how you dance in League of Legends. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.